Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shae, and I like to do most of my videos are hair videos, but I also love home decor, so I'm going to start a home decor series as well. But if you're old here, welcome back, and this will be something new. I hope you enjoy. So today I wanted to give you guys a tour of my living room. I'm going to walk through and just show you some of the things that I have here. I like to design on a budget. I love estate sales. Yeah, I love thrifting, all that. So I just want to point out a few things and tell you where I got it from, and then hopefully that will serve as some inspiration for you. All right, let's start over here. So this is a new piece, and it's by Tiffany Kent. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll look it up and add it for you. But anyway, got this at an estate sale for $16. So I was really excited about that. What I love about this piece is it looks like the Bahamas. It's kind of like an African inspired art piece for me, so I had to grab it. If we look here, I love plants. Each of these planters were all thrifted. So this or estate sale. This I got from an estate sale. This one I'm sure I got from a estate sale or thrift store. And then this gold plant potter down here, I definitely got at the thrift store. So yeah, I have my plants all around here. This little side table, I got this as an estate sale too. I just thought it was really cute and like vintage. My style is kind of like eclectic, traditional, I don't know. But anyway, so I grabbed that and it was probably under $10. I'm like a real budget shopper. All right, let's move over here. So if you can see my sofa, this actually came from a big brand department store. It's Jerome's. I live in Southern California, so I'm sure if you're not here, if you're in a different state, they have big brand department stores and they have a set similar to this. But my husband and I, we really like this living room set because it was pretty neutral and it went with everything, so we decided to get it. So this is not thrifted. We paid full price for this. Let me talk about my coffee table. So this coffee table was actually found outside of my, and I'll sit down for a second, but it was found outside of my sister's home, I believe. Like somebody was throwing it away, and it was not painted yet, so it was just like bare wood. And so I brought it home and I stained it brown, and it's my coffee table. So this coffee table was totally free. Most of the things on this table are thrifted. Like this mirror is thrifted. This is not. I think I got that as a gift. This lovely gold pot I got in Palm Springs at a Palm Springs thrift store. Let me just tell you, the Palm Springs thrift stores are the best. I was looking for a gold pot. I did not want to pay that much for it. So when I saw this one, I ran to it. I think it was like $16. So yeah, this is like one of my favorite thrifted pieces. And this is my lovely bird of paradise plant. I just got it at Home Depot. This plant has been with me for probably like 4 years now. They do really well. Yeah, like 4 years now. So I love this plant. Books that are on the table, those are all thrifted as well. This little thing was a gift. And the little things inside, I believe I got them from Target. It came from a set of 3, so I just put that in there. Table. Okay, so next we are going to talk about this lovely desk. This desk was actually one of my neighbors when we lived in our other house. One of my neighbors was about to throw it away and had put it out in the trash, and we went and grabbed it. I always said I was going to paint it, but I haven't painted it yet. I might not. It's not too bad. It did have some different knobs on it, so I just went to Home Depot, I think, and I replaced all the knobs on it. But it was a good desk, and I'm like, shoot, they're throwing it away, I'll take it in, right? What's the saying? Another man's trash is another person's treasure. So anyway, did that, got this little ottoman from Target. So it was inexpensive as well, and I just put that there. A lot of picture frames that I have right here. Some are thrifted, some are not. I won't go through it all. This lamp, I got it from the thrift store in Palm Springs. Yep. And then this piece of black art, we got this at an estate sale or like a yard sale one day. And I just really, really love it. It was inexpensive as well, so I had to have it. This planter right here came from Target. These little accents right here, which I need to move because nobody can see them, these came from a yard sale as well. And then let me come over here and show you my lovely chair. So I think that same day I found my coffee table is the same day I found this chair. Now, hopefully I have some pictures to insert, but when I got these chairs, they were brown. They had like a flowery pattern on the cushion. I brought it home, painted it black, and then I wrapped it in leather fabric. So love, love, love that. Yeah, so these were one of the first things that I did when I started like rehabbing DIY. So yeah, this is one of my favorite things that I've done. We're gonna just move to this area. This little desk was, this little end table was thrifted as well. It was just bare brown, and so I brought it home and painted it, and I spray painted the bottom gold. It's starting to come off, but I'll have to do it again. This pot, TJ Maxx, and then I forgot where I got this plant, but I love this plant. This armoire I have had since I was younger. This was like one of the big pieces of furniture that I bought with my own money when I became an adult. So I love it, love it, love it. It serves as storage for us. In other homes that we've had, it had the TV in it or whatever, but this is strictly storage now. Everything at the top. The only thing that's thrifted is this. This was another thing that was thrifted, and I want to say I got it from the Palm. No, this was an estate sale. Lovely fiddle fig I got from Costco, and I am so proud of it. It's doing so well. Yeah, I got it from Costco. Costco has good plants at a good price. So if you're ever in need of like some plants, try Costco. I've noticed that they're seasonal though. They don't have plants all the time. Like these, I only found these like in the summer. I had 3 total. This one is doing the best. I still have one upstairs that's not doing so well, and then I had another one that died. But anyway, try Costco. This potter I got in an estate sale. This planter I got in an estate sale, but I'm probably gonna have to repot it pretty soon because I think it's growing out of it. All right, but that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed my living room. I hope that you're inspired. I hope that you shop on a budget because you can get some great things that are really affordable. Like you don't have to break the bank to decorate your home. So let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you next time.